Continually running out of hot water doesn't always mean it's time for a new water heater. Here are the most common problems and some quick fixes. This could be due to a malfunctioning thermostat or sediment buildup in the tank. Try flushing the tank according to the manufacturer's instructions or adjusting the thermostat settings. If you're getting no hot water at all, make sure the water heater is receiving power. For electric units, check the circuit breaker. For gas units, check that the pilot light is lit. Rusty or foul-smelling water could be due to hydrogen sulfide gas. This one's best left to a pro who can disinfect the tank, replace parts, or take other steps to fix it safely. If you hear rumbling, popping, or banging sounds coming from your water heater, this is a sign of buildup inside the tank. Flushing the tank will usually quiet things down. Leaks can come from loose valves, worn connectors, or internal tank issues. Check all visible connections and tighten or replace them if needed. If the tank itself is leaking, it's time to call a pro. Most water heaters last for about 8 to 12 years. If your water heater is only a few years old, check the warranty as it may cover repairs or a replacement. If the problems persist, or your unit is more than 10 years old, it's probably time to replace your unit. Head to your nearest Lowe's store, where our experts can help you choose the right water heater for your home and set up professional installation when you're ready.